Good morning from northern Pakistan. We're in Hunza, surrounded by amazing mountains and valleys and river and all that. Yesterday's weather was a little iffy, but today it's gotten to be, well, as you can see, pretty damn nice. And the owner of the hostel or guest house has let me use his motorbike. There it is. So for the first time, I'm going to go up the KARAKORAM Highway, very famous highway, and this is promised to be one of the nicest stretch of the highway. So let's go see what it looks like. Got the motorbike and the GoPro going. Can't wait to check this out. Just a quick break to ask you guys, did you guys enjoy the way the landscape was shown with the 360, two different timelines, no talking? Most of my vlogs will not look like this, but the mountains and the landscape and the Karakoram Highway especially is just mind-boggling, and even what I showed you does not compare to actually being there. If you enjoy this kind of footage, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll stop doing it because it's a lot of work. If you guys like it, I'll make more. All right, on with the rest of the video. Oh my God, you guys have to see this. Check this out. Oh my God, can you believe this? These are called the Passu cones. Oh, this view is, well, pretty much as unobstructed as it can be. And oh man, I've seen a lot of mountains, but nothing like this. It's crazy, crazy. This might be the prettiest place on the planet. I mean, come on. Come on. Insane. Oh my God, I just came back from that insanely cool ride. I hope you guys agree. This place is definitely worth a visit, needs visiting. Make sure you come here when the weather's good and don't be in a rush. Man, that was amazing. That was my first look at the absolutely amazing nature in northern Pakistan, and I gotta say, it totally blew me away. I'll have more videos of the nature from Pakistan, but I'm sure you know there's much more to Pakistan than just beautiful nature. There's amazing food, amazing culture, amazing history, and most of all, absolutely amazing people. I traveled all over Pakistan for a couple of months, recorded all sorts of videos. Stay tuned for all that. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. It helps me out a lot. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. But most of all, thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.